Alright, this is lab number 4 for Mechatronics. Having a buzzer play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in synchronization with an LED. This is the circuit that we're going to be using to run the buzzer as well as the LED. And as you can see, we also have an LCD display attached. However, I could not get the lyrics to sync up with the song, so instead I am just having it display the lyrics and scroll them while the song is playing. Over here you can see the code that we will be running off of, and let us just plug in here and have a listen.